Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadilla dough. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. For richness, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or lard. Finally, have 3/4 of a cup of warm water ready, ideally between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. These basic items are all you need for delicious homemade dough. Now let's combine everything. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, salt, and baking powder. Next, add the vegetable oil or lard. Use your fingertips to rub the fat into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Then, slowly add the warm water, mixing with a spoon or your hands until a shaggy, somewhat sticky dough comes together. Don't worry if it looks a bit rough. We'll smooth it out next. Once your dough is shaggy, turn it onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice it transform from sticky to smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, making your quesadillas tender. After kneading, form the dough into a ball, lightly grease it, and cover it tightly with plastic wrap. Let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for easy rolling. After resting, divide your dough into 8 equal pieces and roll each into a small ball. On a lightly floured surface, roll each ball into a thin circle, about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Heat an ungreased griddle or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Cook each tortilla for about 1 minute per side until lightly browned and puffed. Now your fresh, warm tortillas are ready to be filled with your favorite ingredients for delicious quesadillas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.